This routine has helped me to grow my hair faster and also improve my scalp health and my moisture routine. So if you're looking for that, keep on watching this video. It's time to actually wash my hair, my natural hair. So this is my wash day routine that I do once every 2 weeks. It's very important to wash your hair and create a good environment for your hair growth. My wash day usually starts like with me taking down my old extensions of my old braids for my wash day. I like to wash my hair in protective styles or whatever protective hairstyle you have at that moment. I always make sure to wash my hair in sections, which really helps to reduce tangles, matting, or any form of tangles generally. I can get That's why I like to work in sections because it makes my hair easier. It makes the wash day not too like stressful and all. So yeah, so I always detangle before washing my hair. It's just to make your hair easier to manipulate and basically easier for you to work with your hair. That's why it's important to always do your moisture routine once in between your wash day, depending on how your hair is feeling. You can do it more than once. When it comes to washing your hair, focus mainly on your scalp because it's very good to create a good environment for your hair growth. So after washing my scalp, I go in with the length of my hair. What I do is that I just run my hands through my hair and make sure I'm scrubbing it and just to remove any form of product buildup I've had on my hair. So yeah, just to create a good environment for my moisture routine. When it comes to shampoo, I would always recommend the best, you guys. I always use the argan oil shampoo. This is the best. It doesn't strip your hair of moisture. Your hair still retains its natural moisture and your hair doesn't feel dry and all. So I'll definitely recommend it if you're looking for a good shampoo to use to wash your natural hair. Argan oil is a good deal. Okay, so yeah, so now we're on to my wash day. So in this hair video, I actually used um black soap, joy black soap. I have a video on that on my channel. If you'd like to see the review of that, I'll have a video talking about me using the joy soap and how it's affected my hair. And also I'll leave the link in my bio for you to check it out, or you can just check my playlist, my hair video playlist, to see the mini video on how this went out. But trust me guys, you can actually use black soap on your hair and your hair won't be stripped of moisture because it's black soap and basically it doesn't dry your hair. It still keeps your hair moisturized and all. So as you can see, while I'm washing my hair, I'm making sure I'm rubbing my hands first on my soap and then going into my scalp just to remove those build-up from products and all. So yeah, it's important you do that anytime you're washing your hair. And now I'm just basically adding some water to my hair just to make sure my hair isn't dry and all. And now basically I'm just rinsing off all that product. When you're rinsing it off, make sure you're actually scrubbing your hair and actually removing all the products on the hair. So yeah, it's very important. So this is how my hair is looking after wash day. So yeah, so another thing I do is to do this aloe vera and cloves water. I have a full video on that on my channel on how I use this and how it grew my hair, guys. You should definitely check it out on my channel. And yeah, so basically after my wash day, I always like going in with my rosemary and clove water just to get in some form of products treatments on my hair, basically, so my hair isn't dry and just to strengthen my hair, basically. So it's very important to do this after every wash day. So yeah, I like to incorporate treatments with my deep conditioner. So when do my treatment, I always use like cloves and rosemary water, which I told you about. So yeah, when it comes to applying it, apply it to the roots first and then work my way through the length of my hair. It's important to get your treatment very well on your applying. When you're applying it, apply to your scalp and then to the roots. It's important because your scalp is like, they need all the treatment, and your ends, guys, don't forget your ends, they need all the love and care. So cloves water increase blood circulation to the scalp, which helps to promote hair growth, improve blood flow, and basically hair growth. So it's important to use this. And rosemary water smells so good. I started using it recently in my routine and I've gotten a lot of compliments. So yeah, next off is our moisture routine. This is very important, guys, especially after a wash day. You need to seal in that moisture. You've done some treatment, you've washed your hair, so now it's now time to seal in all those treatments into your hair. So first off, I always go in with I've already watered the hair, so I'll just seal in that moisture with my shea butter. Shea butter is very good for your hair. It's a very thick butter, so it seals in that moisture very well. Can you see how it literally sealing in all the water into my hair? Like, guys, this is holy good. You can get it in in any store. Just tell them you want a shea butter and they'll give it to you. So yeah, the way I'm applying it to the length of my hair. As you can see, I'm not applying to the scalp to prevent build up. So make sure you apply it to the length of your hair just to seal in that moisture. And then I go in with my Jamaican castor oil, guys. This is holy girl. If you're a girly that you don't have edges, or you're trying to get thick hair, I'll definitely recommend this. Apply it to the roots of your hair. As you can see, I'm applying it directly to the roots of my hair, and then I'm massaging it. As you can see, you massage it well to your hair so that part can grow very well, and just basically to increase blood circulation. You know, when you massage your hair, blood flows better and there's more circulation on your hair, so it's important. Also, don't forget the back of your hair, guys. It's also part of your hair, so always put your Jamaican castor oil there. So yeah, and also when I'm done, I always also use my Jamaican castor oil just to seal in the moisture too. So basically, I added my shea butter, and now I'm sealing with my Jamaican castor oil just to, seal it to the end. So yeah, basically the method I'm using right now is the LOC method, which is liquid oil and what do you call it, conditioner. So basically, now I'm just massaging my scalp, guys. Can you see how I'm enjoying this? Scalp massage is very important. You can do it twice in a week, just basically to increase blood circulation in your hair and allow your hair to get good. So yeah, it's very important to do this. And also, yes, I mentioned I did the LOC method, which is liquid oil and conditioner. So the liquid here I use with my water, and then I went in with my conditioner and I sealed it with my shea butter, which is my oil. So yeah, so once you're done doing all that moisture, you won't want your hair to be left out, because guys, when your hair is just left on your body, it tends to have tangles, and then just when your hair is just rubbing on your body, it can tangle and then break off. So it's important you always pack your hair up just to prevent any form of manipulation in your hair, and your hair will just be in one place and just growing. So it's important you do this after your moisture routine, guys. I started this thing first of this month of this year, and guys, I've seen a lot of growth in my hair. Doing this consistently every month, so I keep my protective hairstyle for like 2 months. So if you've been following my channel, you know I do a challenge every time on my channel where I do this. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Leave a comment what you'd like for me to film, guys. I need your options. If you want me to film anything concerning hair related videos, just leave it in the comment section and I'll be there to help you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.